Now let us start with the introduction of mobile marketing. Now mobile marketing plays an important role in case of digital marketing because we have seen a mobile revolution where a black and white device of mobile has been grown and it is becoming one of the medium for accessing internet by many of the users. We have seen there are many types of mobile devices which run on different platforms like Android, iOS and Windows. Now mobile devices are being categorized into three different categories. The devices which are ranging from 6 inch to 7 inch are being called as tablets. All the devices up to 6 inch are being called as phablets, and the devices which are ranging from 3.5 inch to 5 inch are being called as mobile devices. Now let us go ahead and see how world has gone mobile. In the year 2014 we had seen that there were around 1.75 billion people who have started accessing the smartphones globally. Now this ratio has been increased in the year 2015 where the ratio went up to 2.03 billion people using the smartphone worldwide. Now it has been assumed in future, that is in the year 2017, the ratio will increase up to 2.5 billion across the globe, where the number is continuously increasing for the smartphone users. Now let us see what is the difference between when a person spends time using a mobile phone or there are more people accessing the e-commerce sites or the different websites using the desktop. In one of the statistics, it has been seen that the percentage of time spent on mobile web is 17%, whereas in the case of desktop, it is only 1%. Apart from this, people mainly browse mobile application by using mobile phones, and there is a large pool or application which has been stored in Play Store as well as in iOS as well as in Windows. The percentage is around 52%, where the download of the application takes place directly from the Play Store. So mobile applications are far accessed in case of e-commerce or the website as compared to the desktops. Now we have seen the use of mobile. So let us understand what is mobile marketing and why are the companies paying more emphasis onto the mobile applications. There will be one of the reasons like n number of users have started using internet on the mobile phones to access the different websites. Secondly, mobile marketing is also a set of practical that originates and it also communicates with the customers in a very interactive manner. It has been observed that many of the applications which are being prepared or the websites which are being prepared using different platforms are being made web enabled or mobile enabled. Secondly, mobile marketing is fast growing marketing strategy because it helps you to promote the business, it helps you for bringing awareness of business, it helps you to increase your product base with the n number of customers and consumers. Secondly, you have been also allowed of sending text messages, which are a few features of your mobile marketing. Now what is the importance of mobile marketing? First of all, this marketing is being done because it is also being called as a target marketing, because you know your audience whom you will be sending your promotional messages, your promotional videos, because these customers will turn into consumers in the future. This has been also called as push marketing. You're pushing your product so that a particular end user can buy the product, and it has been also considered as a new tool under your marketing system. Whereas you have one tool as traditional marketing, another tool as digital marketing, and in it your mobile marketing plays a very important role. Now, according to the data which has been found from International Telecommunication Union, it says that according to the United Nations, a whopping 6.1 trillion text messages were being forwarded by the end of 2010. Now this figure, which has tripled in the last 3 years, means people across the globe are sending 2 lakh text messages every second. Now let's see why mobile marketing. In the previous slides, we have seen that 52% of the users are using mobile as a tool for accessing internet. Secondly, these people are using mobile as a tool to access the Play Store and the different applications which has been provided by the smartphones. Now the companies are focusing into mobile marketing for the following reason. One is you create your brand awareness. The second is you get a higher edge than your competitor. The third main feature is it connects with the local consumer and the customer feels that he is directly interacting with the company. And the last one is it generates new leads. The leads are mainly the customers who are able to buy the product by using your mobile application, which is a new trend into the e-commerce industry, where the companies like Snapdeal, Amazon, Flipkart, eBay have started using their mobile application for product promotion, and people have also started buying the products using the mobile application. And it also increases the customer loyalty at different ends.